This is Robert, and now we're going to learn some English concepts. Capital S, everybody say that. Small s, everybody repeat that. That is very good. Now, S sounds Now, when you hear S, at the end, you will feel its sound. The letter S, if it sound, now, we have words. Can you give me some words that have letter S? I want you to look at my picture. I want you to look at my picture. Look at my picture. What is this? Yes, can you tell me? Izuba. Okay. Izuba is called sun. Izuba is called sun. That means that the word sun has sound S. Mwese muzi izuba? Yes, izuba is called sun. Now, we have sun. When you say the word sun, you will feel the sound. You will feel the sound. Now, we can also use this word in the sentence. Like, I can see the sun. This sun has a sound S. That is the sun with the sound S. Can you give me another sentence that has the word sun? Can you give me another sentence? All right. The sun is bright. Remember, we are talking about sound. The sun is bright. I can see the sun. Now, everybody, I want you to say S. S sounds S. Everybody, I want you to say S. Sun. That's very good. We can look at another word which starts with sound S. We have the word snake. Everybody says snake. Snake. Now, a snake is like this. Is everybody seeing this? This is a snake. And the word snake starts with the sound S. That is why I'm moving my hand like snake. Now, we can use this word in sentences. Give me one sentence which has this word. For example, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Good evening once again. How are you? You are very fine. Mwiriwe neza. Ikaze muri Excellence Coaching Hub. Turabakiriye muri Excellence Coaching Hub aho wakwiga icyongereza mu buryo bworoshye. In a very simple way you can learn English. Noneho hari uburyo bwinshi wakwigamo icyongereza hano muri Excellence Coaching Hub. Uburyo bwa mbere ni ukuza ku ishuri, that is physical learning. Cyangwa se waba udafite umwanya wo kuza ku ishuri, you can learn it online. Cyangwa se you can even watch the videos through our app. The app is called Excellence Coaching Hub. Nukujya muri Play Store as usual, muko downloading izindi app zose and you download it. Ukiga icyongereza mu buryo bworoshye bitakuvunnye utanavuye n'ahantu uri sometimes. So you are all welcome. Muze mwige icyongereza mukikanwe n'aya mahirwe. Good.